If you are trying to decide between Toonly and ToonBee AI, this video will help you choose the right animation tool. We will compare the features, ease of use, pricing, and who each one is best for. What is Toonly? Toonly is drag and drop animation software designed for creating 2D explainer videos. It comes with a library of pre-made characters, props, backgrounds, and animations. Since everything is done manually, you have full control over your scenes, but creating videos can take more time. What is ToonBee AI? ToonBee AI is a newer AI-powered animation platform, and instead of building every scene yourself, you simply enter a prompt or script, and the AI generates animated videos automatically. This makes content creation much faster, especially for beginners and marketers. Key differences. The biggest difference is automation. With Toonly, you manually create every scene, making it ideal if you want detailed creative control. With ToonBee AI handles most of the work, allowing you to create videos in just a few minutes. Toonly is better for traditional explainer videos and users who enjoy customizing every detail. ToonBee AI is better for creating YouTube content, social media videos, and marketing content quickly with minimal effort. Conclusion. Both tools are excellent, but they target different users. If you value customization, Toonly is a great option. If speed and AI-powered video creation are your priorities, ToonBee AI is the better choice. If you found this comparison helpful and useful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching and goodbye.